Let's dive into the MSC Fantasia, a cruise ship that has been making waves in the Mediterranean since 2008. This Fantasia-class vessel carries nearly 4,000 passengers and has earned its reputation as one of MSC's flagship offerings. With its blend of Italian elegance and modern amenities, this ship promises an experience that balances luxury with accessibility. The MSC Fantasia underwent a significant refurbishment in 2019-2020, breathing new life into its facilities and ensuring it remains competitive in today's cruise market. At 137,936 gross tons, it's certainly not the biggest ship on the seas, but sometimes good things come in slightly smaller packages. The ship operates primarily in the Mediterranean, though it occasionally ventures into Caribbean waters for those seeking warmer climates. What sets this ship apart is its commitment to the Mediterranean lifestyle. Think relaxed elegance rather than over-the-top spectacle. The crew of 1,370 works across 13 passenger decks to ensure guests have everything they need for a memorable vacation. Now let's explore what makes this ship tick, starting with where you'll be laying your head each night. The accommodation options on MSC Fantasia cater to every budget and preference, from cozy interior staterooms to lavish yacht club suites. Interior staterooms start at around 140 square feet, which might sound tight, but the clever design makes every inch count. These rooms feature twin beds that convert to a queen, flat-screen TVs, and compact but functional bathrooms with showers. Ocean view staterooms bump up space slightly and add that all-important window to the outside world. There's something magical about waking up to ocean views, even through a porthole. The balcony staterooms are where things get interesting, offering private outdoor space that's perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. The real treat comes with the suite categories, particularly those in the MSC Yacht Club. These exclusive accommodations include butler service, access to private lounges and pools, and concierge services. The Royal Suites are the crown jewel, featuring expansive balconies and whirlpool tubs. Even the interior Yacht Club suites provide that exclusive experience within the ship, proving you don't always need a balcony to feel pampered. All staterooms come equipped with modern amenities including climate control, safes, and flat-screen TVs with on-demand entertainment. The recent refurbishment updated many of these features, ensuring guests enjoy contemporary comfort throughout their stay. When it comes to dining, MSC Fantasia takes its Italian heritage seriously while offering international options. The main dining rooms, Illinois Cerchio d'Oro and Il Palladio, serve as the heart of the culinary experience. These elegant spaces offer Italian and international cuisine with multiple courses each evening. The atmosphere strikes a nice balance between formal and relaxed, perfect for families and couples alike. The specialty restaurants elevate the dining experience significantly. Eataly on board brings authentic Italian gourmet dining inspired by the famous Eataly brand. Think truffle risotto, fresh mozzarella, and artisanal desserts that would make your Italian grandmother proud. The Kaido Sushi Bar offers a completely different experience with fresh sushi, sashimi, and Asian fusion dishes. For those seeking Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors, L'Arabesque provides an exotic dining adventure. The casual dining options include the Marketplace Buffet, which features international cuisine with live cooking stations. This is where you'll likely grab breakfast and lunch most days, and the variety is impressive. The Dormi Cafe serves excellent coffee and pastries throughout the day, while various bars scattered around the ship offer everything from cocktails with panoramic views to sports bar atmospheres. Wine tastings and chef's table experiences add special touches for those celebrating occasions or simply wanting to indulge. The pool and outdoor areas on MSC Fantasia provide plenty of space to soak up the sun and enjoy the sea air. The main pool deck features a good-sized swimming pool surrounded by comfortable loungers and adjacent whirlpool tubs. The atmosphere here is lively and family-friendly with pool games and activities throughout the day. For adults seeking tranquility, the adults-only pool area offers a more serene environment. This space is perfect for reading a book, enjoying a quiet drink, or simply relaxing without the sounds of children playing. The multiple sun decks provide various options for sunbathing, with both shaded and sunny areas available. While MSC Fantasia doesn't feature the elaborate water slides found on newer ships, it makes up for this with well-designed outdoor spaces. The jogging track circles the upper deck, providing scenic exercise opportunities with ocean views. Multiple outdoor lounges offer comfortable seating for those who prefer to stay dry while enjoying the fresh sea air. The sports facilities include a basketball court and mini golf course, providing active entertainment options. These facilities might not be the most elaborate you'll find at sea, but they serve their purpose well and add to the overall recreation options available to guests. Entertainment and activities aboard MSC Fantasia focus on variety and quality rather than over-the-top spectacle. Two main theaters host Broadway-style shows, live music performances, and comedy acts nightly. The production values are solid, and the entertainment staff works hard to keep audiences engaged throughout the cruise. The full-service casino offers slot machines, poker, blackjack, and roulette for those feeling lucky. Multiple nightclubs and lounges provide evening entertainment, from disco dancing to intimate piano bar settings. The Jazz Lounge creates a sophisticated atmosphere perfect for nightcaps and conversation. Daily activities include trivia contests, dance classes, bingo sessions, and fitness challenges. The enrichment programs stand out, offering cooking classes, wine tastings, art auctions, and even language lessons. These activities provide opportunities to learn something new while having fun, appealing to curious travelers who want more than just sunbathing. Theme cruises add special excitement, particularly during holidays like Christmas and Halloween. Mediterranean cultural festivals celebrate the regions visited, providing educational entertainment that enhances the overall cruise experience. The MSC Aurea Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience with professional treatments and modern facilities. The treatment menu includes massages, facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy options. The thermal suite features sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounges that provide peaceful retreats from the busier areas of the ship. The fitness center comes equipped with modern cardio machines, weight equipment, and offers group classes like yoga and Pilates. Personal training sessions are available for those wanting customized workout plans. The wellness programs extend beyond physical fitness to include seminars on health topics and detox packages. What's particularly nice about the spa is its operating hours, typically from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., allowing guests to fit treatments and fitness into their schedules easily. The spa staff are professional and knowledgeable, ensuring treatments meet high standards. While spa services come with additional costs, many guests find them worthwhile for the relaxation and pampering they provide. The spa's location provides ocean views during treatments, adding to the serene atmosphere. Special packages combining multiple treatments offer better value for those planning several spa visits during their cruise. MSC Fantasia excels in family entertainment with comprehensive kids clubs and teen programs. The age-specific clubs cater to toddlers, children aged 3 to 11, and teenagers 12 to 17 with supervised activities appropriate for each group. The kids clubs feature games, crafts, educational activities, and entertainment that keeps young ones engaged while parents enjoy adult time. Teen lounges provide dedicated spaces with video games, music, and social events designed to help teenagers connect with peers. The teen programs include dance parties, talent shows, and group activities that create lasting friendships and memories. Family staterooms and connecting rooms accommodate larger families comfortably. Babysitting services are available for a fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only dining or entertainment. The children's facilities are well designed and supervised by trained staff, who prioritize safety while ensuring fun. Many families appreciate the balance between supervised activities and family time together. Special family-friendly amenities include early dining times, kid-friendly menu options, and entertainment suitable for all ages. The ship's design considers families throughout, with elevators and walkways that accommodate strollers and multiple generations traveling together. The port destinations and shore excursions represent one of MSC Fantasia's strongest features. Mediterranean itineraries include iconic destinations like Barcelona, Rome, Naples, and Marseille. These ports offer incredible historical, cultural, and culinary experiences that enhance the overall cruise value significantly. Shore excursion options range from cultural tours of ancient sites to adventure hikes and culinary experiences. The ship-organized excursions provide convenience and reliability, while independent exploration offers more flexibility and often better value. Popular excursions include private tours of Pompeii, wine tasting in Tuscany, and snorkeling in crystal-clear Mediterranean waters. Most ports allow direct docking, making embarkation and disembarkation easy and efficient. The proximity to major European destinations means shorter travel times and more time exploring. Each port offers unique shopping, dining, and sightseeing opportunities that create diverse experiences throughout the cruise. The excursion booking process is straightforward, with options available both before sailing and on board. The variety ensures something for every interest level and physical ability, from leisurely walking tours to more adventurous activities. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.